Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Prometheus on Ubuntu 20.04. The following are the minimum requirements that you need to have before getting started. An instance of an Ubuntu server with a configured sudo user. 2 GB RAM and 1 CPU. SSH access to the server. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. Start by updating the package lists as follows. Once the package index is refreshed and up to date, head over to the next step. Now, we need to create the configuration and data directories for Prometheus. To create the configuration directory, run the following command. For the data directory, execute. Once the directories are created, grab the compressed installation file. Once downloaded, extract the tarball file. Then navigate to the Prometheus folder. Once in the directory, move the Prometheus and PromTool binary files to the following folder. Additionally, move console files in the console directory and library files in the console libraries directory to the following directory. Also, ensure to move the Prometheus.yml template configuration file to the following directory. At this point, Prometheus has been successfully installed. To check the version of Prometheus installed, run the following command. If your output resembles what I have, then you are on the right track. In the next step, we will create a system group and user. It's essential that we create a Prometheus group and user before proceeding to the next step, which involves creating a system file for Prometheus. To create a Prometheus group, execute the following command. After that, create a Prometheus user and assign it to the just created Prometheus group. Next, configure the directory ownership and permissions as follows. The only part remaining is to make Prometheus a systemd service so that we can easily manage its running status. Using your favorite text editor, create a systemd service file. Paste the following lines of code. Save the changes and exit the systemd file. Then proceed and start the Prometheus service. Enable the Prometheus service to run at startup. Therefore, invoke the following command. Then confirm the status of the Prometheus service. Finally, to access Prometheus, launch your browser and visit your server's IP address followed by port 9090. If you have a UFW firewall running, open the 9090 port. Back to your browser. Head over to the address indicated. In this tutorial, we learned how to install Prometheus on Ubuntu 20.04. From here, you can now start monitoring various events and time-based metrics.